Hello. So today we will understand about lookup functions in Excel, and today we will learn about VLOOKUP specially, right? So let's see. Here we have some data of sales available in our data, right? And we want to get some our sales in this particular cell, right? Suppose there is some interface that we have made, and we want to get the sales where the user selects the month and he gets the output respectively, right? So let's see how we can do that using VLOOKUP function. So VLOOKUP basically means looking up our required value in vertical table, in vertical format, right? So along with like here, I want to give the list as well that select the month from this given list, right? So how we can do that? I have already discussed that in one of the previous videos, and I will revise it once again. So let's see how we can do that. So here we go to data tab over here, and here we select data validation. Here I want to give a list, so I will select list. I will select the range. So here I want to give this range. I will click on OK. But here let's again give an input that select month. So a user gets the information that I need to select the month, right? So as I click on here, I have this, but I have not got the message. So let's see what is the mistake. I don't need to give the title. I give it into the message. Okay. So yeah, now I have got that. Now I can select whichever month I want, right? Now, let's see how we can get the sales from this, right? So we use VLOOKUP function. Let's see how the function goes. So I will type VLOOKUP. Here I will first input my lookup value. So first is this lookup value I want to find, that is in J7. Now that table array in which I want to find the lookup value. So I will select this table array, right? Now the column index. This means it give the column number in which you want to get the output, right? So what VLOOKUP does is it always matches the value required lookup value into the leftmost column of the selected table array, right? So and it will return the value that we input in this column index number. So that is why I wrote this numbers 1 and 2 here. So I want to get column 2's uh, value as a output. So I will type 2, and here there are two options, true, that is approximate match or exact match. So we always use exact match so that we get exactly the value that is in the sale amount, right? So I will click on 0. 0 means false and 1 means true, right? Always. So I will click on 0 and I will hit enter. So as you can see, we have got the sales of the month uh, January 2015, right? Now let's just try something different. We try April. We have got the sales of April. Now if we select, suppose, let's say December, so we get the sales of December. So I hope you were able to learn VLOOKUP and understand how it works and how interestingly it can give results to us, right? So thank you.